Well, our next set of blocks is here, and we are certainly hoping that this is the last of them. We ordered 100 new blocks, or 100 more blocks. After the new blocks were delivered, I came back down here and continued working on the steps wall. But that didn't last very long because we got some rain finally. At first the rain wasn't coming through the trees, so I continued working, but then it rained a little harder and I was getting wet and I didn't like that. So we quit for the day. So we did not get much accomplished, but every little bit counts. They said we had about an inch of rain, and it was a hard rain, and it did what we had expected it to do, but even a little more than we had expected. The dirt really settled here. And further down here you can see there was a little trail. We fully expected this, and we were told by the guy that brought the bricks that we should have manually stomped the dirt down, which we didn't do. I just figured Mother Nature would take care of it, and she certainly did. So now the little bit of dirt that I have here left will go in there. The rest of the wall sunk a little, but not a lot. Not nearly as much as it did here. This was a very deep corner, and as you can see, it sunk a lot here also. Also sunk in the corner down below. And that's about the extent of the sinking. There is a little more up here. But I'm sure with more rain it'll settle more. And that's what we want.
Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.